Hi guys, so this is Österlen. It's really beautiful. I love that place. I love so many places in the world, but that one has something really special here. Really special. It, I don't know, gives me so much inspiration and energy. Well, today it's Monday. It's a day off. We worked pretty much that last weekend. You see how nice it is there? It was very nice weather today. So I really enjoyed, because when I work I don't go out a single minute. So that's pretty cool. Well, in a few weeks, like between 6 and 8 weeks, summer will be here, and I'm gonna be open every day in June, July, August, and I'm gonna work like minimum 8 hours per day. I mean, that would be really minimum, because it can go until 14 hours per day in some weekends in June, and almost every day in July, August. So I must be fit. I really must be fit to do properly my job, to have, how can I say, the patience and the capability to do a good work, the best work possible. And I do that every year. I prepare like a sportsman. Look at that. Wow, this is really cool. That's great. Everywhere is great here. I have to prepare myself, and I have to sorry, I think I run since, I've been running for 40-50 minutes now, so I start to be a little bit tired, and when I talk it takes some oxygen, so okay, I might be in trouble soon, but let's try to end that video. So okay, when you do this kind of work, kind of physical work, you need to be good with your body. You need to have a good and strong body. This is why I try to run as much as I can, and I noticed it was better for me to run the morning, night, evening, but I don't work. But when I work, like for example July, I noticed it was much better for me to run before to work. So you can imagine in July, when I start at 8, I have to go before 7 in the morning to be able to run, take shower, and cool down a bit. But I noticed that the day goes super well, because my brain has been oxygenated. I got air, and so everything is more fluent. My work is fluent, my temper is good, everything is good. So if you have manual work, if you have a very physical work, I highly recommend you to run or to do sport, like try to do some yoga or cardio like I'm doing, because you have to push yourself a little bit. I would recommend to do cardio sports morning and meditation sport or yoga, something softer. It can be like 10-20 minutes, it doesn't matter, but you do that evening before you sleep. You calm down, you sleep, and you might be good. You might handle that period pretty good. Look at that here. Österlen is one of the best places I know, it's really one of the best places I know so far. look at that, and now is not even the good season because there is no green, but it's gonna come soon. So that is my daily advice, we can say. When you work hard, when you're driving some places, especially coffee place like me or restaurant, when you have some personnel with you, people that you need to manage, you need to be good, you need to look good, you need to act good, because if the personnel, the people working with you see that you are tired, they're going to be affected. Trust me, I noticed that a lot of times. But if you come the morning at 8, they are still sleepy and you are on top of your form, if you are super awake, if you are if they see that you are really aware, you're gonna push them, and they're gonna respect you even more. And I don't talk about the respect for myself, I don't care, but you're gonna get a better job, you're gonna get better people around you just because of you, you know. So that's super important, guys. Okay, see you soon if I can reach home, otherwise I might lie somewhere there until tomorrow morning. See you guys.